is up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel, Brink of Speed. I want to thank you for hitting that play button. And if you're brand new to the channel, I want to thank you for joining me today. This is a channel that is all about fast cars. I own a 2009 Z06 Corvette. Anyway, again, welcome to the channel. And as usual, for everybody that has been a part of this channel for the last couple of weeks, you know where I store my Vette. So we're gonna head on out there. What the? Oh my God. Where the crap? I'm just kidding. I knew it wasn't out here. I had to take my Vette to Corvette World of Dallas to get it looked at. A light was coming on that was talking about that I need to service my ABS system, traction control, and stability control. And I'm going to pick it up today. So that's why the Z06 is not in the garage. Now, moving on, I want to give a shout out to a few of the people that inspired me to do this channel. And whether they know it or not, they mean a lot to me. And I'm sure they do know it. But anyway, with that being said, I want to start off by saying that when I first bought my Vette last December, it was December of 2016, I really searched for the type of car channel or Corvette channel that I could really learn stuff from and that I really loved watching. After a few months of searching, I found Chuck on Corvette's 918. And if you guys haven't seen his channel, let me tell you, it is absolutely phenomenal. He started his channel a little while ago and has absolutely blown up. I think he's at 19,000 or 20,000 subscribers after about a year and a half of doing his channel. So that'll tell you how successful he's been. So I'll leave a link in the description below for his channel. But Corvette's 918, you got to check that out. He absolutely was the first person to really inspire me to make my own channel. The second person I want to mention to you, his name is Clarence. And his channel is C Garner Speed 252. And you'll see that up above, just like I showed Chuck's channel. And it'll also have a link in the description below. He absolutely inspired me. He started his channel December of 2017. And he's already at like 1,300 subscribers. He's absolutely taken off. In fact, he's made quite a few YouTube friends around the United States, and that's awesome. So him and I talk on the phone all the time. We get ideas from each other for our channels and just really help each other out. He's a great guy. The third person is Jason, and his channel, I'm sure if you watched my video last week, it's called Front Seat Driver, and you'll see that right up top. You'll also see a link in the description below. Front Seat Driver. Jason is a great guy. He lives locally here. So he's someone that I will be doing a lot of video content with. We'll do a lot of collabs together. And I'm really super excited about this relationship. In fact, we're planning on doing something very soon again. And so I just wanted to give every one of those a huge shout out because they've all inspired me to do my Corvette channel, Brink of Speed. And I want to thank every one of them. So thank you guys. So my wife had to go to work early this morning. And so for me to be able to get to Corvette World, I am taking an Uber. So I'm just waiting on them to show up. Here comes my Uber, guys. See you guys at Corvette World. Alright guys, just got dropped off here at Corvette World and I'm going to go inside and get my car. And there she is, sitting in the showroom floor. Thank you, Corvette World. You guys always take good care of me. Anyway, if you are in the market for a used Corvette, really any model, you need to go see Eddie and Robert at Corvette World of Dallas. They are just phenomenal to deal with, great guys, and so check them out. Now the second thing is make sure and hit that subscribe button and support this channel. You guys saw in the very beginning of this video what this channel is all about, and make sure and smash that like button, the thumbs up button, and guys, leave me a comment below and let me know if you have purchased a Corvette from Corvette World and feel the same way. And also leave me a comment below and let me know if you guys have ever viewed Corvette's 918, Seagarner Speed 252, and front seat driver. And let me know what you guys think about those channels. That speed. And basically it was a brake master cylinder that needed to be replaced. So I gave them the go ahead, and $500 later, they said everything is good to go. And so guys, I just want to thank you for joining me today. It was a short video of me just going and getting the car, but I'm super excited about what's to come in the future on this channel. And so just go ahead and hit that thumbs up button, subscribe to the channel. Make sure and hit the bell button right next to the subscribe button so that you're notified when a new video comes out. And comment below. Let me know what you guys think about my new Corvette hat. Other than that, guys, have a wonderful rest of your week. And I hope to see you out on the road.